Hi, Mark Smith with Old Kentucky Insurance, answering your everyday insurance questions. The Labor Day weekend is upon us, which means most of us will be spending quality time with our family and friends or with people from around our neighborhood. Nothing beats a little relaxation and peace from work and school, like a good old-fashioned cookout, a cool dip in the pool, and lots of laughs. And just to spice things up this year, you decided to rent one of those bouncy houses that all the kids had fun with down at the local church picnic. So what happens if someone gets hurt while they're on your property at your party? That's what I'd like to discuss with you today, your personal liability coverage on your homeowner's insurance. This protects you in case a claim is made or a lawsuit is filed against you for damages resulting from bodily injury or property damage by your actions or the actions of one of your resident household members. Examples of these would be someone falls through a rotten piece of wood on your deck, someone slips and falls while running around the pool, or someone gets injured in that fun bouncy house that you decided to rent. Not to mention, the flag football game got a little bit out of control. And let's talk about the trampolines, the ones that both us adults and kids all love to be a part of. Did you know some companies won't even insure you if you have a trampoline? And the ones that will require you to have a safety net and a fence with a locked gate around them? Most of your standard policies come with $100,000 in liability coverage automatically, but for $6 to $10 a year with most companies, you can have that increased to $300,000. And for $20 to $25 a year, you could get $500,000 in that coverage, which is less than $2 a month. So when you're going through the Starbucks drive-thru next time, just think, you could have so much more liability coverage if you just decide not to get that cup of coffee this morning. For as little as $150 to $300 a year, you could get what's called a personal umbrella policy as well. This provides additional excess liability coverage in case your liability limits are exhausted during a homeowner's claim or an auto insurance claim. I'll discuss that more with you next week though, in my next video. Every insurance policy is different, so please make sure you consult your agent to discuss the specifics of your policy. If you don't have an agent, by all means feel free to give me a call, and I'd love to answer any questions and go over any options for you. Once again, my name is Mark Smith with Old Kentucky Insurance, answering your everyday insurance questions. Have a safe and happy Labor Day weekend.